We're here at 1376 24th Street in Sarasota, and we are doing a sewer inspection. I've pushed through the main vent stack all the way out to the city tap, and we're going to pull back nice and slow here and see what we can see. We've got some PVC through the front yard here. A little drop down before it gets there. So we're back up in the upper part. That looks like it's going to be a clean out right there. I'll go ahead and locate that. Okay, I've located this clean out, and it's right in front of the concrete porch. I've marked it with a blue flag, but it's right in front of where the concrete had been cut for the porch. It looks like a lot of this has been replaced inside the house just from the cuts on the floor. We're definitely in the house now, into PVC pipe under the living room floor. So about the first 4 feet of this line is underwater. Now we're coming up the vent stack, which is all cast iron. I'm going to go try another roof vent now. Alright, we're at the base of the second vent stack. I'll push through here. Got a little debris in the line. I can shake it off. And here we are outside the front door again in that clean out. Pull back nice and slow again, see if there's anything we can see in this pipe. Sometimes it's a little easier to see while the camera's being pulled backwards. That's where it transitions from this line into the main line. And back up the vent stack. So that line looks pretty good. Now we're going to try and run down this kitchen stack and see if we can see anything through here. More often than not, these lines are just too bad to get through. Actually, the whole vent stack is blocked here. I can't even get through the vent stack. It looks like it's all clogged with rust.